Here's a shot of a photo being printed on the printer after the heads have been cleaned. For edible printing, you should find that it works absolutely perfectly. As you can see, there's no back on this printer, so it is yours. Settings have just been put on matte coated, low quality. If you look here, that's where we've been doing head cleans. That will be cleaned up. What you need to be doing from this point on is making sure that you print once a week, an image once a week. You can just do it on normal paper. There we go. That's a picture from, well, it's just any old picture that's come from the computer. There's your head pattern. The pattern up here, there is pigment black that's missing, but you don't need it for edible printing.